Hello, chemistry student. It doesn't really matter if you had been enrolled into Gizmo last try or not. Please enroll again for this trimester because I've cleared out the class from last try due to the fact that some of you have transferred to a different hour, like from first to second, or some people are new. So just to create a new enrollment key and keep things official for this trimester. So to enroll into Gizmo for a lab, please go to explorelearning.com and then click on login and enroll. You put in the enrollment code. The enrollment code is right here. For first hour, it is HPHLFQ. And then for the second hour, this is the enrollment key, which is TJ2ZHK. Once you type that in, go ahead and log in. Create a password or sign on name for yourself. I recommend whatever you use for school, for the hub, use that. Okay. So I'm already signed in as a teacher. I'll log in and I'll tell you what your assignment is. Once you are enrolled, you will find our first and second hour chem class, and the lab that we're going to do will be called a periodic trend. Please follow the direction carefully and play with the program based on the instruction and fill out the 2.5 page or so that we have for this lab. Okay. Take your time, and once you're done, make sure you share it back on Canvas onto the assignment called Periodic Trend Lab. Okay, so that will be on Canvas called Periodic Trend Lab, and make sure that your copy is viewable by anyone. So you click share, make sure you change this to viewable by anyone with the link. Okay, so just something to remind you of. But once again, you can do the assessment on there for additional practice if you want, but I'll be grading the Google Doc, which is this doc. So make a copy of this doc after you're done and share with me, or just share the open copy that you have. You don't need to make a second copy. It's not like I'm going to edit it much or anything like that. Once again, go and enroll at explorelearning.com. Right now it's not letting me log in because I just logged in and out a few times, but just click on login and enroll and put in your enrollment code right here. And the rest is pretty self-explanatory. Create a password and sign on name for yourself if you have not done so, and go to the periodic trend lab for first and second hour. Hope you have a good day. See y'all tomorrow or in a couple of days.